Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading journey. Today I wanted to talk about the new trading bot that I just added. If you've been following along on my journey, you know that I've been meaning to add a new bot for the past couple months. And during my last update, which was last week, about 5 days ago, I mentioned I was going to add either Ape Coin or STG. And as you can probably tell, I did end up adding Ape Coin. And in this video, we're going to go over how it has performed over the past 5 days in a market that has only gone down. So it's gone completely down since I bought it. So you'll see exactly how it performs. We're going to go over everything. But if you've been following along with the market, you know that, like I said, we've sold off every single day since I added the coin to my bot. But before we get into that, I wanted to just quickly go over what ApeCoin is, and let me go to the about. This is their website, apecoin.com, and if we go to the about section, you'll see I'll let you read all this on your own. You could do your own research, but basically it's a play on NFTs. It was created from the creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club, Yuga Labs, and this is their website. You can find out more about, what they're about, the Ape Foundation, their DAO, their board, and their board is actually pretty high powered. They got well, we can go over real quick. The co-founder of Reddit. They have the head of ventures and gaming at FTX, Amy Wu, principal at Sound Ventures. They got the co-founder and chairman of Animoca Brands, and they got the president and general counsel of Horizon Labs. So they got a pretty stacked board of bored apes, and yeah, it's pretty high powered. What else? You could look at ApeCoin protocol. You could look at their tokenomics, but basically they airdropped 150 million coins to any bored ape and mutant ape holders. So I believe I want to say I heard someone say that that was like a $70,000 airdrop for each person who, if you held one of these NFTs. They have 16% that went to Yuga Labs and charity. Most of that is actually to Yuga Labs, 150 million tokens. 14% went to launch contributors, and another 8% went to the Bored Ape founders, which is another 80 million coins. So a lot went to Yuga Labs themselves. But yeah, I'll let you read up on it on your own. But without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and pull up the bots and we could take a look at the chart. So here's the bot. Here's ApeCoin. As you can see, it's been running for 4 days, 23 hours, basically 5 days. It's had an average daily return of 0.61%. It's done 1,155 transactions for a bot profit of $70, which is 2.47% return on my investment. The coin, like I said, it's gone for my initial investment, it's down 30%. So let's look at the chart. So if you look at ApeCoin, it's only been around for a couple months. It launched on March 17th. It had a big pump all the way up to what, 17, almost 18 bucks. Then there was a big sell-off. It went down around 9, what is this? 9, let's just say 950. This one I originally wanted to get in. Um, but I didn't, and then it pumped up, went to 14, actually 15 bucks, came back down to 11, 10, and then right around this time is when they announced that they were launching their metaverse Otherside, and there was a big run up on that point, and it went all the way up to, let me move the chart, it went all the way up to 2750, and when they launched that the Otherverse, or the other side, I should say, it was a big fiasco, and there was a big sell off at that point, and that's where we came at, last week, when I got in, and let's consolidate. Let's make this chart a little easier to read. So yeah, I last time we had this video, I wanted to get in around this time, $14. I got in at the day after on May 4th, around 1550, 1540, 1550. So what I wanted to happen is I wanted to get in right before uh, Jerome Powell and the Fed spoke because I was expecting a big run up, and right after he spoke, and that did happen. So right after he spoke, May 5th, we had a big run up, and or I'm sorry, May 4th, we had a big run up. We got all the way up to, I want to say 16, 17 bucks. 17, yeah, around 16, 17 bucks. And the next day, May 5th, we actually crashed, and we've had nothing but down days ever since. So May 5th, we've had, as you can see, had nothing but down days. Let me make this a little bigger so you guys could see it. We've had nothing but down days since then, and we are here now at 914. So that's if I look at the from when I bought it, that's a 40% drop. And so um, I had my bot uh, for about 30%, so it could go down 30%. So it stopped it stopped trading around 1085, but it's at 9. Oh, we're at 912 right now. So what do I plan to do? So basically, actually, so what has it done, and what do I plan to do? So like I said, it's made $70 in bot profit, but it is out of range right now. What I expect to happen is, we've had 5 days of red. We have to have a relief bounce soon. I mean, we don't have to have a relief bounce, but I'm expecting a relief bounce soon, maybe in the next 1 or 2 days. So it'll probably come back up to, these levels. Um, but I would miss, this whole bot profit from 912 to 1080, which is another 18%. So what I plan to do is regrid this bot around the $9 area, and if we get this relief bounce I expect, I'll make some profits. And I do expect, this coin, the market is down. I don't know if we'll go over this in another video, but if you look at all my bots, they're all out of range because everything went down. Last week I think I was up, my sum total profit and loss was over $1,500, and in 5 days it's down to $3,700. So that matters if you're going to sell, but I don't plan on selling any of these bots. I plan to regrid it, but I'm not going to be adding more money to these bots. I'm just going to use the existing money and regrid them to put them in the in the in the zone where they will actually trade. So with ApeCoin, I do think we could probably go down to 7. The launch price, what we saw earlier, which was around, let's go back over there, which was around, where are we? So around right here, which is 675. So around $6 to $7. We could probably see that downside, but I do expect a relief bounce soon, like I mentioned earlier. And let's go back to where we're at right now. Here we are. So I do expect a relief bounce. So I do plan to, you know, regrid this so that can take advantage of this, the bot, going up in value and these bot profits. So plan to regrid these, and then at that point, I'll make a determination to see if we, you know, take a stop, do a stop loss, and regrid it at a lower value or what. But we'll see what happens at that point. But I do plan. Look, there's also already a green candle right here, so we may be having the bounce now. But yeah, I will plan on doing that. One thing I did want to show you guys is Here's Ape Coin. It's made me $70 in bot profit. I did mention that I was, in my last video, I was looking at adding, there were 5 coins I was looking at, and it was coming down to ApeCoin and STG, which is a DeFi coin, and I did put those in my demo account. So let's go ahead and pull up my demo account so you can see how those look. So here's STG. It's actually at $79. It hasn't gone down as much as ApeCoin, and look at it. If you look at all the times that these bots have been going, they're all at 4 days and 23 hours. So I grid them at the same time that I added ApeCoin into it. But as you can see, STG has $4 more in bot profit, but it's gone down less. It's only gone down 13% as opposed to 30% that ApeCoin has gone down. And it has less transactions, which means less trading fees. But this would, in hindsight, STG was probably the way to go. STG, when we first put it into the bot, the demo bot, it was at 114 and it's at 80 cents now. So it's gone down quite a bit. KDA's out of range for just like ApeCoin. VRA was the other one that I was looking at, and it has uh, significantly outperformed both ApeCoin and STG. At $92, it's gone down 17%. So yeah, that's that, man. Uh, in hindsight, so I'm gonna I'll keep this. You can run demo bots for 1 month, so we'll come back and I'll do another update in uh, I'll probably do one at 7 days, then I'll do one at a couple weeks, and we'll do another one after a month before these expire. And then, that'll give us the benefit to see which one was actually the bot that I should have went with. Um, ApeCoin can turn around, but yeah, let's see how it goes. All right. So yeah, let's go back to ApeCoin to see the chart over there. So yeah, it's at 924 right now. So yeah, that's the quick 8 bot update. So after 4 days, like I mentioned, it's made me 70 bucks. After actually 5 days, it's made me $70. The whole crypto market, like I said, has been going down since the day I put money in the bot. We'll see how the bot performs overall during a down market. This is a great test because if you are thinking about getting into bots, trading bots, uh, the whole premise is that bots will make money going up, going down, going sideways, and it will if it stays in range. It is out of range right now, so it's not making any bot profits. But this is a good test. I'm your guinea pig, where you could see how it'll actually perform. And a lot of people, I know they're scared right now, and the YouTube crypto and charting experts, they're predicting a bear market, and this will actually show what happens when you start a crypto trading bot during a market crash and a bear market. Like I said, this is day 5, but I'll keep doing updates over the next couple of weeks and months so we can go back to this, and this will truly prove what crypto trading bots are made of. If you're wondering where I learned about trading bots, I did end up purchasing a program where I learned about these bots. It's called The Plan by Dan Hollings. I purchased it in August of last year. They closed the program for new members the past few months. Last time I believe it was open was in December of 2021. So it's been about 5 to 6 months since they last accepted new students. They did just actually open up the program for new members last week, and so if you're interested in learning more about the program and what you will actually learn, you can click on the link down below in the description. There's a webinar when you can learn all about it. So if you're wondering if bots work and don't want to invest, just please just follow along on my journey. That's the whole premise of this channel. You could use me as a guinea pig, and when I first started, in August of 2021. That's my whole premise on this channel. I wanted to prove if crypto trading bots actually did work. And I was a skeptic but after 2 months, I made my money back. And you can say that I've been a believer ever since. So, like I said, if you're interested, click the link down below and you can learn all about it by watching the webinar, and Dan Hollings can tell you all about it. And, if you're enjoying following along on my journey, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow this channel. Glad to have you join me on my journey. And as always, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all in the next video.